On to the Yokohama line we go. And onto the bus. And we have made it. Konnichiwa, minasan, and welcome to IKEA. In we go. And here we just have a pile of leaves that I kind of just want to jump onto, but I know I can't do that. So over here we have this cute little children's room set up, but I have one issue of contention. Not sure how much use you're gonna get out of chairs that are hanging on the wall. Kind of like this little set of chest drawers, but I'm not seeing a price on it. That's kind of cool. Hi! Kind of surprised me. I love how it's like, oh, nice indoor trimming, and boom, you're outside. Okay, this thing is really cool. So, I got it on clock, but I turn it, and it turns into a timer. And then you turn it again, it gives you the temperature. Oh, that's really cool! Aww, we've got a cute little record player right here. I wonder if it actually works. I think this poor pooch is kind of tuckered out. He fell asleep in his food bowl. Walking around looking at all these couches, turn around and there's a ghost. It's called Ophelia. I don't know how I feel about that. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do do do, what to do? Many sharks do 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 do, run away do 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 do. I don't know what I've started, but people keep walking up to the sharks and singing Baby Shark. I'm so sorry to all the parents who are having to endure this right now. More plants! Most specifically, planters. Do you have removable bottoms? It looks like you do! I'm not going to try and rip you off now, but if you do, that's very useful. Another baby shark. Got another map over here with pictures drawn to places they visited. I also really like that idea. I should do something like that with a picture of Japan. This is definitely a cat house. Oh, yeah. It's even better. It's a bucket of kittens. Hey, need a hand? How about 4? Little throw blankets. For 35. Or you could go 12. Whichever is your preference. I'm just loving the texture of these throw blankets. Got some cute little father-daughter chairs over here. Of course, and daddy chair also gets a footrest. So, power. Oh! It turns that off. What happens if I... Oh, you can dim the light. Cool. Okay, hashtag our princess with the first thing on the floor is an ocean-themed playmat. How cute is that? I'm totally in love with this little octopus. Coming up, got a whole bunch of posables. Woody, Spider-Man, Luffy, Zoro. Nope, too soon. At the end of the day, we all know what these cabinets are really for. Just making impromptu apartments for cats. Okay, storage items, more storage items, and potato chips. Another thing that lets me know I'm in IKEA in Japan is every single kitchen setup has a rice cooker. Rice cooker! Large rice cooker. Rice cooker. Mini white rice cooker. This kitchen's doing double duty. Rice cooker, double rice cooker. Metal pot slider for $4.90. That's what opens and closes. That's really cool. We have an assortment of different salts. Natural, garlic, oak, and mushroom. for $9. Chalkboard in the hall. Hello, have a nice day. Welcome, relax. Giant dinosaur! Got this whole middle section completely curtained off right now. And more sections just taped off. I guess they're just... What's the term used when you're setting a scene? Staging, that's it. They're staging. They're staging the lion room, but I like that pillow. Alright, so this could either be a closet or your own personal sauna. Or it could be both, but it's supposed to be a closet. Got some gold hourglasses. How to entertain yourself for hours. And down here we have some lavender incense sticks. Also for $8. Staging the other jungle theme room. I found a husky puppy. Oh, you are so cute. I know. There, I helped him to sit up. Okay, bye, buddy. Okay, what are you? What are you? You're Velcro? Are you a squid? I don't know. Okay, let's see if I can make this. Epic fail! Yay! First try! Ooh! There's a wall! Ooh! Found the number puzzle. That's nifty. Where's the 1? You were missing a 1, my friend. And there's also a mini loom? Oh, that's cool. Coming into the baby section, and I see pandas. Oh, there's just fluffy animals everywhere. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my! They have these vests up here in different colors. I guess the game is you throw balls at each other. That sounds like it could be a lot of fun, but very dangerous in the wrong hands. And just a whole sea of play food and play toys. And all the trains you could ever want. Alright, with all that exploring, time to get some grub. So what do we have on the menu today? Filet roast beef, Swedish meatballs, obviously, rotisserie chicken, Mama's fried chicken, roast pork chop, marinated salmon. Please enter from the left side. We can do that. Alright, got our tray, and we're starting with dessert. So got quite a few options on the menu here, but I need to rectify a problem today. We are going to try the Swedish meatballs. Specialty item of the day is a strawberry tower cream pancake. That sounds like a lot of sugar. Alright, so here is our meal for the day. And I am super hungry, so itadakimasu. Alright, I'm going to dig into the very first thing that I've been looking forward to because I've never tried them before. These Swedish meatballs. Which taste exactly like a Salisbury steak, which I have not had for a while. So, happiness. Alright, sweet potatoes. Not sweet potatoes, or regular mashed potatoes. And they taste like regular mashed potatoes. Alright, so what's this fruity stuff? Please be cranberry sauce. It is! It's cranberry sauce! Oh, note to self. For next Thanksgiving, I can come here. Alright, moving on to my little crawfish buddies. Say hello. See if I remember how to do this. And they have provided me with lemon, but for the first one, I'm gonna just go straight for it. That is a super sweet crawfish. That's some good crawfish. Alright, on to the second one. These are good. I'm really glad I grabbed a bunch of napkins because this is super messy. Alright, so basically I'm learning everything at IKEA is good. I'm making a mess. But it's a yummy mess. Totally worth it. Alright. Let's try this cobbler looking cheesecake thing. Ooh. And it is falling apart. Alright, here we go. Oh! Okay, so I called it. It is a berry cobbler cheesecake. But I think I'm getting boysenberry. Let me try one more time, but I think that's boysenberry. Boysenberry and raspberry. Just eat it. It's so good. IKEA is becoming like my favorite restaurant right now. That is totally boysenberry. There's a boysenberry raspberry berry crumble. Oh, yes! I love this place. IKEA. You're getting all around 9s and 10s from me. Good food. Good job, IKEA. Perusing the decimation that is my lunch. And just watching the outside world. Alright, now that we have finished our meal, time to head downstairs. They have these little scrubbers in the shapes of horses. And they come in 2 different colors. They have these Tupperware containers that actually grip onto the underside of the ledge. That's a really nifty idea. How much are you? $3.99. Got a bunch of baking stuff, but most importantly, they have a moose cut out. And the moose is 699 yen. We've got an entire floor just dedicated to bedding and pillows. I have to admit, the longer I stay in this area, the more I want to go to sleep. And now we come to the light section. It's so bright. Oh, I like those. Give a kind of camping feel. And then you have a panda, and I'm assuming that's an otter. I don't think this was done on purpose, but if you look at the packaging, they look like teddy bear ears. A whole bunch of different lighting options. IKEA is also running this campaign right now for rechargeable batteries. So this is where they are selling them. We come to the rug section. Oops. Awning. Awning? Awning? Not a clue. But it's 25. It comes in green and yellow. Down here they have this little game system for kiddos to play with. Got some different options for artwork, but I keep coming to this one because I don't think that was the intention, but it just reminds me of a Rorschach test. Comment down below and tell me what it is that you see in this picture, because the more I look at it, the more it looks like a Rorschach test, so I'm curious. And here they just have a mound of potpourri. Got raspberry, some kind of cinnamon cake, and then you've got the peaches. And it looks like one bag is 99 yen. And they also have these little candle holders for $4.99. And we come to plants. Plants for days. Fake plants, but plants. The cats have just taken over. And stop scratching the table. Stop it. Stop scratching the table. See, they even put socks on the table to make you stop, and you're still scratching. Up here at checkout, they have all the fixings you need to make American hot dogs. 1 pack of hot dogs, $5.99. And I will tell you one thing, it is difficult to find these types of buns here. A pack of 10, $5.99. Heading through the exit for IKEA, and you have the typical bistro and all the food options. After that lunch, I'm quite done, so let's go ahead and head outside. So, walk outside the door to see the bus just waiting for us. Sweet! And that was our day at IKEA. Now it's time to get these goodies home and start redecorating.